Have you heard of the 12-day officers? It's got nothing to do with police, okay? I know. It is actually additional ways of using Chinese metaphysics, using Feng Shui to give you better insight into what kind of day energy that is for that day. That's what we're going to talk about. Welcome to Ask Auntie Amy, where we are changing the world one person at a time. Like and subscribe and get notified for our new videos. Hi, I'm Ask Auntie Amy. I'm a Feng Shui coach. I use Feng Shui to help my clients to get what they want. Lesson 6, Part 2 on the planner. On this video, we're going to talk about more on how to use this 2023 Water Rabbit Feng Shui Guide Planner, how to use the planner to manifest what you want. And you ask, how do I get this wonderful book with the planner? Of course you can. You can get it on Amazon. It's available in Kindle version, paper cover, hardcover, all three versions. And I think the paper cover is on sale right now. The link will be in the description so you can get it. So this video, we're going to cover section 5, the 12-day officer, what they are, and how to use them. I have already written quite a bit information on what each specific day officer's energies are good for, but I want to share with you something that might not be on here that I want you to know. Disclaimer, not giving medical or legal advice here. If you're going to start a new project, establish day is a good day. Initiate day is a good day. Success day is a good day to start new projects. All right? And if you say, I want to start a new diet, remove day. It's a good day to do that. To start a new, think of like removing things. A detox will be a good day to start with that. Destruction. What is the difference between remove and destruction? Remove, just remove. Destruction is what I call burn the bridges day. So say if you want to serve your divorce paper, never see that guy again, destruction day would be a good day to serve your divorce paper. And unless you have super bad habit you need to get rid of, then I would say use destruction days. Otherwise, if you need to go on a detox program, remove day is good. Now, open day, I have put down, say, open day is good for sales pitch, networking, even going on a brand new day. Because on that day, the energy is more open. People are more open-minded. But that is not a good day if you have surgery. All right? A friend of mine who have emergency oral surgery, it was done on an open day. Literally, they couldn't get it stop bleeding. They had a hard time with infection and all that stuff. So this is what we recommend. No surgery on an open day. Open day will be good for, like, if you have things that you need to find out. Exploratory stuff. Because open day literally means things are opening up so you can see what's inside. Not good for surgery. Okay? I like stable day. Stable day is good for the long-term projects. Getting married on a stable day is great. It's, long-term relationship, right? It's good on a stable day to get married. Now, for example, balance day, I wouldn't use balance day because that means everything is equal. Like, for example, if you are, actually I have an attorney who uses the 12-day officer for her lawsuits and stuff like that. On a balance day, that means it's even. That means no one is winning. That's what that means. It's balance. 50-50. Okay? So, you know what? You might want to, if you know about how to use the energy, so it'll be to your upper hand to know, to pick days, that will be good for you. But then you got to remember, on a success day, that means it is also successful for say, the defendant, if you're the plaintiff. So there's a certain way you need to get around it. If you know the astrology, we can manipulate some stuff and make you have a better upper hand. Now remember, you have gone through the lesson 5 on section 1 through 4, finding a good direction, a good day, good activity that matches with it. Now you can add the 12-day officer energy on top of it. So in the next video, I am going to talk about how the animals of the day will affect everything as well. So doing Feng Shui manifestation to be successful at it is really like adding all the different layers. That's why timing is very, very important. All right. If you have enjoyed this lesson, please give it a like, share, and subscribe and get notified for all our upcoming videos. Thank you.